everybody, this is Beth. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And my blog is stampingmom.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to make this very simple DIY baskets. I'm going to use them for May Day because today is May Day. Happy May Day. I also made some May Day pouches last week. They were easy, but not quite as easy as what we're making today. Here's the pouch from last week. This is made with 8x8 designer series paper, and this mini one is made with 6x6. So go ahead and look on Stamping Mom on the Facebook page, and you can see the video to learn how to do those. But this week we're going to make these very easy baskets. I even stapled them together. So if you have kids coming home, you can make the baskets right away. Well, I'm waiting for some more people to come on. I thought I'd show you some of Linda Lace. You made it on here. I'm so excited. Hi, Mary. Thank you for coming on. Here's some birthday cards I received in this last week. This is from Marceline, and Marceline's 80th birthday is today. I was hoping she would come on and show us how to make this cute box. Isn't this cute? It's darling. Well, silly me, Marceline had other plans for her 80th birthday. So she said next week she will be here and she'll show us how to make this very cute box. But this is the card Marceline sent me for my birthday, which I love it. So cute. This is from Linda. Linda is also on my Stamping Joy team, and her birthday's today. In fact, I have more birthdays on May 1st on my calendar than any other day of the year. So happy birthday, Linda. And she became a grandma for the first time last week. So I'm so excited for you, Linda. This beautiful card, Linda Lace is watching. It's so pretty, Linda. I love it. Linda lives in Stevens Point, Wisconsin. She's also on my Stamping Joy team and sent me this gorgeous card, which made my day. Thank you, Linda. This pretty card is from Barb. Barb is a Bible study fellowship leader with me and also a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and she comes to some of the Stampin' Joy team events. But isn't that cute how it stands up? Can you see it like this? Very cute card. Thank you, Barb. Another Barb, who's also part of Central Iowa Demos, made this beautiful card. I love the daisies. In fact, with my wood paper that's retiring, I would like to make this card. So cute. Thank you, Barb. This is another Central Iowa demo. This is Sherry Cox. Isn't the fun fold cute? You can just get so many ideas from these. This is from the Paper Pumpkin in April. It's a gorgeous paper pumpkin. If you don't subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, you really should. It's $20 a month. You get a surprise in the mail, and you typically get to make 8 or 9 cards. Sometimes it's a project, but they're very, very cute. This card is from Chris R., who lives in Pella, and this was either the December or January Paper Pumpkin. So isn't this a good idea? She took the calendars from that instead of making herself a calendar, and she's sending the calendar page as part of a card to someone every month, and I just love this. Thank you so much, Chris. And this was the Froggy SAB card. This is Darling. This is from Maggie, another Central Iowa demo. So when I talk about the thing, Central Iowa Demo is a group of unrelated Stampin' Up! Demonstrators in Iowa. Stamping Joy team are people who are on my team signed up with me. This is from Kim Copley, another cute card. She's a Central Iowa demo. Thank you very much. And this card, Kay Central Iowa demo, so sweet, is the queen of clean and simple, and I love every card she's ever made. It's just so cute. I have more to show you next week, but it's been really fun receiving so many birthday cards this year. Okay, so let's get started. What you need is a piece of 6x6, either cardstock or DSP. It's going to be stronger if you use cardstock, but these are so cute that I wanted to use DSP. So I'm going to bring in the trimmer. And with your 6x6, you're going to line it up at 1.5. So we're going to end up with a 3-inch basket. So I lined it up at 1.5, and I'm going to score it on all 4 sides. These are so easy to do. And I think the basket has lots of uses for different occasions. You know, I'm going to leave the trimmer here for 1 more minute, and I'm going to take another piece and cut the handle. And you can make these any size you want. I just chose on this one to make it at 3/4 of an inch. And again, this is from a 6x6 piece of paper. So I have this left over to make a card with it. Now I'm going to take my paper snips because I find it easier to snip before I score the lines. And I have score lines here and here, and I'm just going to cut up to the score line. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now flip the paper to the other side. And you're going to make 2 cuts on this side here. 1 here. And 1 over here. Now I'm going to take my bone folder, and I'm actually going to burnish all the score lines. So if you have kids or grandkids, and you know, really, adults can do May Day. I need to get used to that. My last child went to college last fall. So this is my first May Day with no kids. So I guess my adult friends are going to get May Day baskets now. Okay, so I've burnished all the score lines. And one thing you can use is this Tombow green glue. It's super strong. And if you're going to use glue, you're going to fold in these flaps and put the adhesive right here. Okay? But if you've recovered from being a perfectionist, like I've tried really hard to recover, I'm just going to staple this because we're trying to make it quick and easy. This is the Stampin' Up! Retired stapler. It has little petite staples, but you can use any stapler you want. Okay, so I have a little perfectionist left in me. See how that's sticking up? That bugs me a little bit, but I'm going to pretend it doesn't. Because again, whoever gets this is going to take the candy out and throw the basket away. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So again, I'm just folding in those flaps to the inside. Now this that we cut earlier, that's 3/4 of an inch by 6 inches. I'm going to take this and put it barely inside because I want the handle to be as long as possible. And then I take the stapler and staple it so part of the staple is up on the handle and part of it's in the basket. Bring it around to the other side and do the same thing again. Now really, this can be done. Put some candy in it, popcorn, you're good. But I decided to put these little sentiments on the front. Again, this is quick and easy. So I'm going to take a piece of white cardstock. This color is Granny Apple Green. And I'm going to ink up the Just For You. Just For You is right here. It's in the A Good Day stamp set. This is retiring at the end of May. And I've used this a lot for 3D items. It's so cute to make little tags with. I also used it for my Easter baskets. If you look on YouTube, I have a YouTube channel and I made quite a few bunny baskets at Easter time. Now what you're going to do is take the 1 1/4 inch punch. And I always do this upside down so I can see exactly what I'm punching. And then I'm going to take the 1 3/8 inch scallop circle punch, and I'm going to punch out some Granny Apple Green. Put this off to the side. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of Tombow, and I'm going to attach my Just For You tag onto the Granny Apple Green piece. And then I'm going to use a Stampin' Dimensional, just one, and pop this up. And I'm going to put it on the side with the staples, just so I cover the staple on the handle. So cute. Now I'm going to put some Ready Shreddy in here. This is actually, there's 3 bags, silver, white, and this is Berry Burst. For these 3 bags, it's only $3 on the clearance rack. I looked right before I got on today for the live, and it is still on there. Such a deal. I don't know where else you would find cute shred like this for $3. And then I have a couple more Ghirardelli bunnies left from Easter. There's no shame in using half-price Easter candy for that. Okay, I'm going to look and see if there's any comments or questions. And I will save this video and I'll put it on YouTube later today. Although this looks dark, I might have to redo it. Let's see. Julia said, so fun. Thank you, Julia. And Linda, I'm glad you made it on. Mary, thank you for joining me. So if you have any questions, let me know. And like I said, I'll upload this later to YouTube. And super simple. You can make these any size you want. It'd be fun to make tinier baskets and also bigger ones. So whatever you need them for. So thanks for joining me. And remember, next week, Marceline really will be here. And she will show us how to make this cute box that opens up and it has candy in all the different drawers. So please come back at noon next Wednesday to say hi to Marceline. And thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.